Miracle happens when you believe in your actions. Artificial intelligence at its best. Unique marketing tools. Automated recruits. And evolved financial issues. Business automation. Guaranteed global visitors.
Marketplace OnPassive marketplace. Defining an online marketplace and how it works. Hello there. In this video I will be taking a closer look into the definition of a marketplace and the functioning of a marketplace as well. Here are some data metrics that have been researched on popular online marketplaces, which are: eBay has reached a maximum number of registered users of around 164 million users. Uber has improved its service, which operates in more than 60 countries around the world. These are all such great examples of which marketplaces are the most profitable. OnPassive future tools are great for customizing and designing your own marketplace. OnPassive Marketplace is OnPassive's very own marketplace, which will be a marketplace unlike anything in the past. It is a marketplace powered by artificial intelligence and will be launching very soon, so be sure to keep an eye out for it. What exactly is a marketplace and how does it work? A marketplace can simply be defined as a type of e-commerce web platform, which helps potential buyers and sellers connect with one another and interact with each other for purchases. One of the first examples of an online marketplace was by eBay in the year 1995, which helped to launch marketplaces successfully. This model was relevant for users and sellers who provide goods and services as well. Uber is one of the most popular forms of a marketplace in recent history and is incredibly successful as it is present across 450 cities across the world. What are the questions to ask when establishing a marketplace for your business? How to choose the perfect niche for your business? How to define the demand for a particular service? How to easily develop and launch a marketplace? How do you identify a marketplace on the Internet? A marketplace is simply a collection of a large number of vendors on a single platform. The marketplace is great for having a variety of different vendors to connect with different customers online. For a marketplace to be successful, it needs to fulfill three functions, which are: connecting buyers to vendors to trade online, helps to engage customers with effective communication, goods, services and payment exchange, helps to support the rules and regulations, to be the foundation of marketing. What are some categories of vendors providing their services in an online marketplace? Online marketplaces are also known as e-marketplaces and leverage the power of the Internet and help you to focus on online trade among existing marketplaces. Some of the various categories of vendors who offer their products and services on an online market are: real estate, education, hospitality, business to business, recruitment, finance, delivery, food, beauty, health wellness, personal productivity, local, professional services, home services, construction logistics, consumer goods, digital design, photos, crowdfunding, transportation. These are some of the various verticals among many others, which are available in an online marketplace. In conclusion, an e-commerce platform helps to connect a store owner directly to the buyer on a platform. This online platform contains multiple stores, multiple sellers and products from different sellers as well. In the next article, we will be looking at the future of online marketplaces. We hope you found this article informative in understanding marketplaces, to launch your marketplace as well. We are in it to win it. How to join OnPassive. With a wide range of business automation services, OnPassive help businesses to grow from simple beginnings to game-changing success. Here's how to join the force of one of the best marketing platform, OnPassive. Here are a few things to know before joining OnPassive. Sign up via GoFounders. You can sign up to be a founder member of OnPassive via GoFounder, and the program automatically places you to an admin. If you have your inviter, you can use the link provided by them and register to be a member of GoFounders. The system offers a forced matrix structure, i.e., 3x10 matrix. The founder's position is filled according to the date of joining the system, and the number personally sponsored paid founders. There are two ways of joining OnPassive. One is through direct sign-up as explained above, and the other is through invitation. Direct sign-up, you can directly register on the OnPassive website and get an invitation link from one of the sponsors. Visit OnPassive, click on Become a Founder now. You will be redirected to registration page. Sign up via invitation, you can have someone invite you to join. If you have a sponsor and have shared the invitation link with you, make sure that their name is mentioned above the page. Ask your sponsor to resend the link if their name isn't on the page.